Hi guys, so we're going to cook meat and string beans. I have string beans here, 1 kilo, and the meat and all the ingredients. So let's start cooking now. So I'm going to slice the carrots. Yeah, carrots first, then later on all the ingredients. Now the carrots is already done. Tapos na ang carrots, so mamaya i-continue na rin yung red pepper. So next, the red pepper. Now the red pepper is done. Tapos na yung red pepper, bell pepper ang tawag ito. So tapos na siya. Now the garlic. So I need to slice this garlic. I do it like this so that it's easy to peel the garlic. Mas madali ra siya kung anon, madali lang siya to peel like that. So I'm done with the garlic. Done na siya. Now let's go to the onions. So let's do the onions. So let's do the onions. Look, it's a little bit fresh. Now onions is done. So let's start cooking now. Oh my god, it's too much onions. Because the onions is too big. Malaki siya. Medyo malaki yung onions. Kasi that's why. Gusto ko yung maliit. Pero walang maliit dito. So, malaki na siya. Ready now. Let's slice this one first. The meat. So now, finish na siya. Finish na ang meat. I cut them into 3. Not dili siya kuan kay gagmay. Now let's cut the string beans. We'll cut like this. Ako ni siyang kuan lang, yung medyo mahaba lang. Hindi yung maliit kasi remove natin to. Now I'm nearly done, so we need to remove this one, guys. This one. Need to remove this one. The other side as well. The tape, because it's not good. So I cut it into like that. So I'm done now. So this one, this is the result. So I just put dili siya dagko gagmay na po. Medium slice. So we wash it. Stop recording. Now the pan is hot. Hot na siya. So inuuna ko yung pork. I do the pork first because the pork is so that the oil will absorb more quick. So let's check. Oh, see? I don't put any oil, guys. Look at how this comes from the oil from the meat. Oh. So let's check again, guys. Oh, wow. So now the oil is... So now the meat is really soft now. As you can see, oh, it's loads of oil. This comes from the meat. So that's why I don't need to put any oil. So now let's check again. Look at, oh, look at the oil. It's too much. So let's segregate, guys. Then we put the onions. Onions. Later on the garlic. Yeah, like that. Let's add the garlic. Garlic. These onions. One like that. So let's mix together, guys. Mix together. Together like that. So next is the string beans. String beans, guys. This is loads of vitamin, this one. So it's mixed together, so we need to close this one first, cover it. Then later we need to put a little bit of water. So let's open, guys. So we need to add a little bit of water. This is hot water. I add a little bit of hot water. So now let's add my favorite seasoning. A little bit. Not much. Not much. Just like that. And then the soy sauce. This Philippine soy sauce. Yeah, a little bit. Not much. Then we need to mix together. Para kuan siya, lami siya, i-mix nato para motuhop iyang yung ingredients niya. And garlic powder. One of my favorite garlic powder. So that is the taste will mas masarap siya pag may garlic powder. So, open. So, let's add the carrots. Pangibutang ang ilagay natin yung carrots, guys. Then, mamaya yung red pepper. So, let's open. Then, we need to add the bell pepper. Yung nagdadala ng lasa, yung bell pepper. So, i-add natin yan. Okay. Now it's ready, guys. It's ready. Look at the meat. It's so soft. So let's taste this one. So let's taste. Actually, I already tasted, but we need to taste it again, okay? To show you it's malami siya kaayo, guys. Sobrang sarap at malambot yung karne. Sobrang lambot yung karne. Okay. So let's taste, guys. Let's eat. Look at the meat. It's too soft. Sobrang lambot. Nice. And the carrots. Let's eat. Ready for dinner. Now let's remove this one. Okay, we turn off the heat. And then open this one. Look at. Oh, see. Wow. It's ready, guys. Ready to serve you. Look at. There's a little bit of water. It's better because gusto ko yung medyo hindi dry. Gusto ko yung hindi dry. So, it's okay. Malambot yung karne at yung beans is soft. Yung hot soft siya. So, let's eat together. Look at, guys. So, wow, this is so delicious. Really delicious. Let's eat, guys. It's ready now to serve. I have mashed potatoes and rice.